Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can practice English speaking with ChatGPT. So if you want to practice English speaking anytime, anywhere for free, in this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT as your personal speaking partner and even turn it into a podcast style conversation for learning English fast. So let's just get started. So why use ChatGPT to practice English? ChatGPT is more than just a writing tool, so it can act as a real conversation partner, and you can practice daily English, learn new vocabulary, and get corrections instantly without feeling nervous about speaking in public. So to start, you can open ChatGPT, sign up or log in, and choose a ChatGPT model, free or paid, and once inside you can turn it into your English coach. So you can set ChatGPT for conversation mode. You can try this prompt right here. So you can use this prompt: you are my English conversation partner. Speak with me in a natural, friendly way like a podcast host. Correct my mistakes, explain them simply, and ask me follow-up questions. So this will make ChatGPT act like a friendly English tutor. You can just hit on send first. Okay, so as you guys can see, these are the response from ChatGPT. So you can just read ChatGPT's message out loud and answer it in your own words and then type your reply. If you use ChatGPT mobile app, you can also use the voice features to actually talk to it, just like a podcast conversations. You can just answer this question, and after that, you can learn the mistakes from ChatGPT. They will tell you your mistakes. You can also ask ChatGPT to pick a topic like travel, food, movies, or hobbies, and it will keep the conversation flowing just like in a real interview. So this will help you think in English and get comfortable with natural expressions. And at the end of this session, you can tell ChatGPT, give me a list of 5 new words we use today with meanings and example sentences. So that's how you can practice English speaking with ChatGPT anywhere, anytime. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!